Good morning, students of class 9. You are welcome back to the classes now. Let us continue our lesson in history. The socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. We have reached 1.3, coming of socialism to Europe. That's the subtitle 1.3, coming of socialism to Europe. Now let's talk about various socialists, their ideas. We'll talk about that. Who were socialists? What do you mean by socialism? And who were these socialists? What their ideas were? We'll talk about 2-3 socialists one by one. Today we have 9 points. We'll go through one by one. Listen carefully and try to follow. Number one of the most far-reaching vision, their ideas, their thoughts, far-reaching visions of how society should be structured, should be made, was socialism. Socialism means how the society should be constituted or formed or made. Number 2, socialism was a well-known body of ideas. They have various ideas. People, socialists, highly educated, philosophers, thinkers, they were socialists. A body of ideas that attracted widespread attention. Their ideas, their inspirations attracted a lot of people all over Europe. Their ideas attracted the attention of various people in Europe. Number 3, socialists were against private property. They thought and they saw it as the root of all social evils of that time. So you see their way of thinking. Everything that is happening in the society which is not good for the common man, it's because of these people who amassed, who had a lot of vast areas of land, industrialists, they were capitalists, and the socialists thought these are the social ills of that time. Number 4, they thought that the socialists, they thought that property were concerned only with the personal gain and not with the welfare of those people who made the property productive. Property means land and factories. There the people work in order to produce goods, and the property men, they hardly paid higher prices or wages to those workers. So these property men, they only look for their self-interest only, not for the welfare of those people who work there and make their properties productive. So now 5, if society as a whole, what these socialists believe, what they thought that if society as a whole, rather than single individual, control the property, more attention would be paid to collective social interest. So what they believe that if the property is collectively owned by the people, naturally they would put more interest in the work and more production and more income for those people who work rather than single individual. So they believe that collective social interest, they thought about that. Number 6, socialists wanted this change. They wanted this type of change and they campaigned for it. They spread the ideas among the common men, common peasants. Number 7, socialists had different views and visions of the future. Socialists, they have different visions of the future, what the society should be like. Some believed in the idea of cooperatives. Some socialists believed in the idea of cooperatives, so that there will be collective well-being of the people who work there. One such socialist was Robert Owen. He was born in 1771 and died in 1858. It's a birth and date. Robert Owen was one such English manufacturer. He was one such English manufacturer who tried to build a cooperative society called New Harmony in Indiana, that is in America. So Robert Owen tried to build a cooperative society in Indiana, in America, in USA. And the name of that new cooperative society was New Harmony. New Harmony. So he was one such socialist who tried to create a cooperative society. Now next, another socialist was Louis Belknap. 1813 he was born and 1882 he expired. So he wanted a government, this Louis Belknap wanted a government to encourage the people to form cooperatives and replace capitalist enterprise. All those capitalists who owned the big plots of land, who owned the industries, they should be removed and cooperative society should be built, and the government should encourage people to form cooperatives. So in the next, this much part, these are the socialists. In the next video we'll talk about another socialist, Karl Marx, a socialist. We'll study about another socialist, Karl Marx, in the next video. So from Karl Marx ideas, communist party was originated. His ideas created communist society. So we'll talk about Karl Marx in the next video. He was a writer, philosopher, thinker also, but a socialist. So we have talked about all the social change, what they wanted, the future should be, what type of society there should be in future. So this socialist, they had various ideas. They were a well body of various ideas and interests. So 1.3 we have not finished. We have reached half. So we'll talk about Karl Marx in the next class. So coming of socialism in Europe, you go through that subtitle in your book, in the book also, and don't waste your time. Thank you very much for watching. We'll meet in the next class and continue our lesson, a socialist named Karl Marx. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.